Well, good morning, friends. Well, after a pretty decent night's sleep, Vicki and I got up early this morning and we're trying to get it together. We've got a couple of little projects we want to do on the van this morning before it gets too hot. And so, yeah, thought I'd take you along.
She's lost. She's lost her land again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So one of the things the previous owner did was pull off all the pinstriping on the van. He didn't like pinstriping, which I get it. It's a 20-year-old van. It was probably cracking and looking pretty rough. So this is kind of what we're left with, is this residue. You can see where the pinstripes were. So I've tried a couple of things. I tried alcohol and mineral spirits and stuff like that to try to get it off, and it just really didn't even budge it. So I did some research. By that I mean I watched some YouTube videos, and this is what I came up with. They sell this little thingamajig that's supposed to take that pinstriping right off. It's this little eraser wheel type thing, and you put it on the end of a drill, and from what I understand, it will not harm the paint, and it makes this job easy breezy. We're going to try it out and see if that's true. They also said that this little wheel is great for bumper stickers, so we're going to test that theory as well. If this doesn't work, we can just cover up some of these stickers with other stickers, right? I don't know if those are going to come off or not, but if not, maybe I can replace them with some other stickers. Like, oh, I don't know, a heat seeker bus could go there, or C-Dub's Journey could go here. Maybe PS Mentalist could go here. Yeah, I don't know. It's an idea. We'll see if this wheel thing works or not.
Now this is what we need to do. Then it's perfect.
Huh.
Okay.
All right,
You
well,
want to try it?
yeah, let's try it.
No, do you want to try it?
Okay. Sure. All right, let's give this a whirl, so to speak. All right. Okay, I see what they were saying. It leaves a residue, like an eraser residue, so. I don't think it's quite as magical as they made it out to be, but thank you. Yeah, it's doing something though.
Hold it on there.
Yeah, I need to hold it on there a little longer. Nurse?
Doc, a little longer.
It's getting hot.
That's good hot.
Let's leave the eraser residue. Huh. Very cool. It'll take forever, but it'll work.
Yeah, well, I hope you've got some time on your hands, because that's a big van.
It's a big van. Yeah, so I'm wondering, is slower better or faster better?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I
I
hope
think
you have some bored days on your hand, because, woo.
so. My initial review of this little Wonder Wheel magic eraser thing is that it does work, but it will take a lot of time and effort, a lot of elbow grease, and a lot of probably drill batteries to get it done. But it will get done eventually. So I'll just leave that drill sitting there by that van, and every time I get up, I'll do a little more of it. Maybe Vicky will too, and eventually it'll all be done. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Thanks, random chicken. You wanna help with the van? Aw, what a good kitty. Too bad you're too short, huh, buddy? I know you really want to help. All right, let's give this a test. I wonder if it matters which way. Oh, that worked out real nicely. All right, let's give this thing a little test run, shall we?
It feels like a lovely feeling.
So this has to spin the other way.
Okay, so here.
That's what we need it to do. Okay.
Add it the other way first. We might have to pull up a YouTube video.
All right, now let's give this little thing a try, shall we? We're gonna go watch YouTube, man.
Got a very important job here, supervising.
Yeah.
And repairing that every time you do
Repairing
that.
that. Oh, that might be the end of that. Hold off.
Ruthie got in the toy.
Oh, that's funny. Well, that was fun.